Hello once again, friends. Today I will be making classic deviled egg with you, and we'll be using the following items as shown on the screen. I have here eggs, Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, cumin, and parsley. Without wasting further time, let's begin. The saucepan is filled with half full of water. I will add in the eggs. I will cover and turn on the heat and allow it to boil for 11 to 12 minutes. It has boiled for 11 minutes now, so I will take it, pour the hot water and add cold water to it and allow it to sit for about a minute before I remove the shells. It has cooled for about a minute now, so I will pour the water and remove the shells. Removing the shells from the egg. I will slice each egg lengthwise. Remove the yolk and set the white aside. I'm almost done removing the yolk. So these are the egg whites. I'll put it aside and prepare the yolks. I have here the yolks. I will add in about 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. I'll add in about a teaspoon. Chili powder, I'll add in just a little. Cumin, I will add that one too, just a little. I will now mash everything in to mix well. Using fork to mash. You can use blender or whip it, whichever way you choose. My final and last secret ingredient is margarine. I will add in about half teaspoon. The margarine I use, there is no salt in it, so it balances it well. It's creamy enough. You can just use spoon or fork to fill in the egg whites with it, but I'll put it in one of my snack bag and pipe it instead. I have this snack bag. I will just put it inside snack bag. Got a bowl, so I put it in the bowl. Put it down. Just white, and this is the yolk. I will cut the bottom of the so I can pipe it in. I will sprinkle some paprika and parsley on top. These are my classic devil eggs. I hope you enjoy the time spent with me. Come again soon. Thank you. Bye.